Welcome to 𝗀𝗡 Estate, your guide to smart and sustainable investments. We're dedicated to delivering expert insights on property and financial investments, keeping you ahead of the curve with the latest trends. Today, we're going to explore 3 potential investment methods for 2025 that you should consider. First on our list is ESG investing, a method that focuses on environmental, social, and governance factors. This approach prioritizes sustainable practices and ethical conduct, creating a win-win situation for investors and the planet alike. As we move towards a more conscious world, this method is gaining momentum. The potential benefits? Well, in addition to contributing to a sustainable future, ESG investments have shown promising returns. By 2025, it's projected to be a profitable venture. ESG investing is not just a trend, it's a shift in the global financial landscape. Next, we have real estate crowdfunding, a method that allows individuals to invest in high-value real estate properties. This innovative approach enables you to pool funds with other investors, breaking down the financial barriers that often come with real estate investment. By contributing to a collective pot, you can own a piece of a property that might have been out of reach otherwise. This makes real estate investment more accessible, leveling the playing field. Real estate crowdfunding is democratizing the real estate market, making it a viable option for many investors. Last but not least, we have cryptocurrency, a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. Cryptocurrency is essentially money that exists solely in the digital world. It offers the potential for high returns, making it an investment option you can't ignore in 2025. Despite its volatility, cryptocurrency has established itself as a major player in the global financial market, shaking up traditional banking systems and paving the way for a new era of digital finance. Cryptocurrency might be volatile, but it's undeniably a game changer in the financial industry. There you have it, 3 promising investment methods for 2025: ESG investing, real estate crowdfunding, and cryptocurrency. It's crucial to do your homework before diving in. Remember to subscribe to 𝗀𝗡 Estate for more insights on investment trends and strategies. Here's to your financial growth.